How you doing, folks? This is Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out a cool 55 Bel Air two-door post done in Matador Red and White. Cool car. Had nice upgrades on it. It's an older restoration. Paint's several years old. It still looks real good. All the grill moldings are all brand new. Bumper's been re-chromed. Car looks good down the sides. It's got a set of 20-inch American racing wheels. These new taillights, taillight bezels. Rear bumper's also been re-chromed. Bumper guards are originals. All the glass in the car is nice. It's a classic look here. Got a nice newer 350 in it. Aluminum intake, Edelbrock carb. A nice set of headers. It's got power disc brakes. It's got updated power steering. It's got tubular upper and lower A-arms. Got 350 turbo trans. Got posi rear with a 331 gear. Interior all looks real good. Door panels are new. Headliner's real nice in the car. They've relocated the battery to the rear. Got the spare tire in it. Got Pioneer stereo there, nicely mounted in the dash. A trio of gauges under the dash. It's just a cool little car. Wiper motor's not working. We do have a Newport up-to-date wiper motor coming for it. Got duals all the way out the back. Got LED bulbs in the taillights. It's just a cool car. You can check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com. You can visit us at 8180 South State Road, Goodrich, Michigan. You can also follow us on Facebook. That great cruiser there with all the power steering, the power disc brakes. A lot of traffic today. Have a great day, folks.